Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress custom theme. Building your own theme gives you total control over design and functionality, allowing for a truly unique website. We will cover the essential steps from setting up your development environment to implementing advanced features. This approach ensures your site is optimized for performance, security, and user experience, providing a solid foundation for any project. Get ready to unlock the full potential of WordPress with a bespoke design. Understanding the core files is crucial for any custom WordPress theme. The style. CSS file is your theme's identity card, defining its name, author, and all visual styles. Meanwhile, index. PHP acts as the default template, displaying your content. For dynamic features and custom functionalities, the functions, PHP file is indispensable. These three files form the backbone of your theme, allowing you to build a robust and personalized website from the ground up. To begin, navigate to your WordPress installation's wp-content/themes directory and create a new folder for your custom theme. Inside this folder, you will place your style, CSS and index, PHP files. Remember to include a screenshot, PNG image which will represent your theme in the WordPress dashboard. Once these are in place, head over to your WordPress admin area, find your new theme under Appearance, and activate it. You are now ready to start building. With your basic setup complete, it is time to expand your theme. Create additional template files such as header, PHP footer, PHP sidebar, PHP and single, PHP to manage different parts of your site. Use functions, PHP to properly enqueue all your custom scripts and style sheets, ensuring optimal performance. Consider implementing custom post types and taxonomies to organize unique content effectively. Always prioritize responsiveness and accessibility, making your theme user-friendly on every device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.